Family and loved ones are praying for a miracle tonight that their missing loved ones might be found safe. As they wait, there are steps already being taken regarding accountability for the catastrophe. CBS 4's Carly Barnett is here in the studio now with those details. Carly?
Well, Laura, not even 48 hours after this horrific tragedy, families and residents are setting their sights on holding the right people accountable. One class action lawsuit right here has already been filed and another is in the works, but these are among the first of what we can anticipate to be many to come. As victims of the Champlain Tower collapse search for answers and hope for justice, the legal process has begun.
We were contacted yesterday morning by a unit owner of the building and immediately sprung into action to start pursuing his rights and the rights of other unit owners. So the lawsuit that we filed so far is a class action lawsuit on behalf of all unit owners.
Attorney Brad Sohn says the lawsuit, which is filed against the Champlain Towers South Condominium Association, is seeking about $5 million in compensation for their homes. It alleges the association had the responsibility to safeguard lives and property and failed to do so, with possible oversights in maintenance or repairs to the site.
But we just felt like it was very important to get going, particularly when lawsuits have an important public function in terms of forcing people to be transparent, forcing people to provide information, which are things that will not only help the victims directly, but hopefully will prevent something like this from ever happening again.
And others are seeking to do the same and are in the information gathering stage.
We've actually already joined together with a few other lawyers and experts that know about the construction industry, they know about the insurance industry, and we've been spending the last 2 days going down every lead, from the roofing company to the antenna company. Everybody has a possibility, but before we file any lawsuit, you really have to have a good faith basis to name people.
Attorney Adam Moskowitz says for him, this tragedy is personal.
My partner has family and friends that are still missing. He was at the vigil all morning. We have friends that are still missing. And it's very emotional for us.
He says he's been contacted by about a dozen families so far, but says they want to make sure they have their strategy in place before putting it on paper.
If there's somebody to hold responsible and liable, we're going to definitely find out who it is and do this in a proper manner.
Moskowitz says they will be filing something with the State Court of Miami next week. Stone says they anticipate more personal injury lawsuits and wrongful death suits in the near future.